Hello students, in this video we will see the introduction to Tableau, and in this we will see how to download the Tableau and we'll see the Tableau workspace. So the Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool used in the business intelligence industry to visualize and analyze the data in an easily digestible format. So we'll see first how to download the Tableau. So for that, just go to the Google and type download Tableau. Tableau software is a software company, and that produces interactive data visualization products, and it focuses. The main products offered by the Tableau are the Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online. So we'll see the Tableau Public, how to download the Tableau Public. So here, after typing this download Tableau Public, the first link is I have clicked on the first link, and clicking on this will window will appear. So here I am typing the email address and just download the app. So after that, just clicking on this download app, the download will appear automatically. So here you can see that the Tableau public desktop exe file will be downloaded. So in download, I have already downloaded this file. You can see a Tableau public desktop file. So just click on this file for installation. So depending upon the choice of the product, you can download the software, respective software on your computer, and install it. So here, just accept the license agreement, and your installation will start. So actually I have already installed, so that's why I'm not downloading it again. So just I'm going to cancel it. So after installation, you can see this type of icon will be appear on your computer. So this is the Tableau window. So now I want to open that window. So for that, I'm just clicking on it and opening that window. So you can see this type of window will appear. So here, these are the this window is divided into three section, that is connect section, open section, and discover section. Here, if you want to connect to the data sources, so with the help of this uh, you can connect to the data sources. So on the left hand side, you can see there is a connect pane, we can say, and which highlights the available data sources. So here the file type are listed, and after that you can see the some server types are there. So you can connect to this also. And after that, here the open section is there. So with this, you can open the previously created workbooks under this open tab. So this is there, and here again some discover section is there. So with this, you can discover different types of chart. Now, what I want to do, I want to first do the first I want to connect to the iris dataset. So before going to this, first let me tell you how to download that iris dataset. So for that, again we are going to the Chrome, and here just I'm typing download the iris dataset CSV file. So here the first link will appear, that is kaggle.com. I'm clicking on this. So you can see here the download option is there, and below here again iris.csv file is there. So just click on this, just click on this download button, so your file will uh, download. So you can see here the file is there in this iris.csv file is there. So in this file, it contains the information about the flowers, and there are total 150 flower records. You can see here 150 flower records are there, and about the three categories. So here the three flower classes are there. So Iris setosa one class is there, then versicolor is there, and the next is the virginica. So it contains that information about these three classes, and for each class having the 50 records. So you can see here from 2 to 51, 50 Iris setosa. So for each class having 50 records, and each flower has the four attributes, or we can say the four features are there. So that is the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. So these four measures are there. And what is our aim? Our aim is to analyze this data and perform the data visualization on this data set, that is on the iris data set. So this is for the downloading the iris data set. Now I am going to this particular visual section, that is on the tableau section. So here, just a minute. So let me share my tableau window. Yes. So this window is visible. That is the Tableau window. You can see this tab, that is connect section. So here, what I want now, I want to connect to the Iris data set. So just click on this. Because that file is a CSV file or Excel file. So here you can see on desktop the Iris file is there. So click on this and click on the open. So now you can see I have imported our data into the Tableau workspace from my computer. So now we will see how the Tableau workspace or the interface looks like. So this is the first section, that is the data source section. So here, what you have do, you have just drag your data source onto the Tableau Tableau worksheet. So you can see under this iris, you can see the 150 rows are there, having the spaces is called one column id, petal length, petal width, sepal length, and sepal width. So this is the data, and here also you can see the your data sets. So you can see here this id column is there, having some numerical values, spaces length having also numerical values. So this hash symbol, it indicate that it contains the numerical values, and the spaces contain some categorical values, or the some character type of value are there. So that's why here the abc is there. And if you want to change the this, so you, with the help of this drop down, you can change it. So this is the data set. Now what I want to do, I want to go to this worksheet. So here actually this is the Tableau window. So you can see this is the status bar, below this is the status bar, and the sheet tab is there. So I'm going to this sheet, that is worksheet. So this type of window is appear, and this is the Tableau window or the Tableau workspace. So it is pretty easy to understand. So just go dive into it. So at the top of this page, you can see this we have some drop down for the file. After clicking on this, after that you can see drop down for worksheet, then drop down for the data set stories. So these are some menus are appear over here. After at the bottom of this, you can see uh, the toolbar section is there. So this is the toolbar section. You can see here in the toolbar section the Tableau Tableau logo is there. After that, some, if you want to create the new data sources, new worksheet, duplicate sheet, so this is the toolbar section you can see. After that, below here, you can see this page, that is the workbook sheet is also there. So this is the workbook name. So here the workbook name is Tableau Public Book 2, so that is the workbook name. Next you can see here, this one is the card and the shelf pane, we can say for this. And this middle section, that is this section, is the view section, or the, we can say, the main section. And on the right hand side you can see the show me section. This is the sidebar section is there. And you can see here, the two tabs are there, that is data tab and the analytics tab. So again, the data tab, the tables are appear. So we under iris, which tables are there, so that will appear over here. This is for the left side pane. And if we are on the data pane, so we will see the list of all the open data sources, and we select the field from this data sources, either on the dimension and on the measures. So you can see, uh, 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 Tableau automatically recognizes which are the dimensions and which are the measures. So this, here you can see the measures are the continuous variables, and the uh, dimensions are the discrete variables, such as the text, date, like variables are there. After that, the next pane is there. So if you click on this, that is the on the analytics, so we can bring out the number of the pieces of the analysis directly with the help of this drag and drop functionality. Then at the bottom of the sheet, we see that the sheet 1 is there, sheet 2 is there. So likewise we can create the number of sheet, and we can navigate with the different sheet by clicking on this. You can see here, sheet 1 is there, sheet 2, sheet 3. Likewise we can create the number of sheet with the help of this. Then one of the most important interface of is the row and the column shape. Here you can see the column shelf and the row shelf is there. So to create our visualization, we simply drag our dimensions and measure from the data pane onto this canvas. And the Tableau automatically segregates the rows and the shelves. So this is the important pane. After that, this is the central work area where the visualization will appear. And once there are the measures and the dimensions in the row and column shelves, so this Tableau will automatically create the visualizations. Then on the top of the right corner, we have the show me option. So this, if you are not sure about what visualization you want to create or what options are available in Tableau, so you can click on the dimensions and measures, or from the data currently in the column and row. So the one nice aspects of the Tableau is Tableau automatically shows you that which type of chart you can use for the a particular type of visualizations. So this is the Tableau interface or the workspace. Again, one more important interface or the shelf is there. So this is the one, that is the pages filter and the marks pane, marks card, we can say. So here, this with the help of these three, you can create the more detailed visualization with the help of this mark pane, filter pane, and with the help of these pages. So this is for the Tableau interface. So just for understanding, let me create one simple visualization. So here the tab, what I'm doing, I'm just dragging this petal length into the column section and the petal width onto the row section. So you can see Tableau automatically shows the visualization in the main area, and here on the right hand side you can see the show me section is there, and from this Tableau automatically enables the visualization. That is, you can use this visualization also, or you can use this visualization also, you can use this visualization, this also. So likewise you can create the visualizations with the help of Tableau. Now we will be using this mark pen for creating the detailed visualization. So now I want the detailed visualization. So with the help of this you can also use the which type of visualization you want to create. So suppose I want to create this circle type visualization, and if you want to create the bar type of visualization, or if you want to create the this type of visualization, suppose I want the shape and this field shape I want, so you can create the visualization depending on that. Again, if you want to select, if you want to give the color with the help of the spaces, so just I'm dragging the spaces onto the color tab. So you can see now the different colors are there for different spaces. So you can see here for orange color is for the spaces versicolor, and this red for the virginica, and blue for the setosa. So these three categories are there in this iris data set. So now I'm just dragging this id onto the detail section, so you can see the other detail description of this. So likewise you can use the different interfaces of the Tableau for making the visualization. So this is the one type of visualization I have shown you. So with the help of this you can give the name to the sheet also. So comparison between petal length and the petal width. Just I'm typing the petal width. So likewise you can give the name to your visualization. You can work with the font also, apply. So you can see here this is the type of visualization we can do. Also if you want to give the name to this sheet, so you can give the name also. So likewise you can apply the name to this sheet. So this is for the Tableau worksheet and the Tableau interface. So in the next video, we will see how to do the visualization on the Iris dataset with the help of Tableau. So thank you.